Indian Premier League, IPL, for which Indians are absolutely crazy about. For Indians, IPL is not just a sport, but a festival which they celebrate with great enthusiasm and enjoyment. Well, the fun is going to be there for a long time now because 10 different teams are going to compete with each other for the next 74 matches. But you know what? IPL is much more than just entertainment, sport and fun. It is the financial powerhouse that has transformed the business of sports in India. If you don't know, let me also tell you one thing, that every year IPL earns in thousands of crores. But how does cricket make so much money, like in thousands of crores we are talking about? Well, don't worry. Let me give you a brief explanation that how IPL makes money and how the players earn from it, how the BCCI earn from it and how the team owners earn. Hello and welcome to Bosswala. I am Tanisha Sharma and today we are going to talk about IPL. So let me tell you one thing, that IPL makes thousands of crores every year. So let's talk about their expenditure, their revenue, their profit and how IPL impacts the India's economy. So the IPL success is based on multiple revenue streams. Let's start with the first and most important one, that is broadcasting rights. A significant portion of IPL's income comes from broadcasting rights. The 2023 season commenced under a new media rights deal valued at 48,390 crore for the 2023 and 2027 cycle, with Disney Star securing television rights for 23,575 crore and Viacom 18's Jio Cinema acquiring digital rights for 23,758 crore. So now do you understand that we are not talking about lakhs of crores, we are talking about thousands of crores. Now let's talk about the second revenue stream, that is sponsorship. The sponsors and numerous associate sponsors play a big role for IPL's earning. The BCCI sold the IPL title rights to Tata Sons for 2,500 crore over 5 years and generated another 1,485 crore from associate sponsorships with brands like My Circle 11, RuPay and Angel One. Well, this was about broadcasting and sponsorship, but don't forget about the crowd that is available inside the stadium. So each person buys tickets to watch matches, and we are talking about 74 matches in 2025 between 10 teams. Can you imagine 74 matches? That means such crowd who's gonna pay for watching the match. And you know what? Every year millions of people go and watch live matches. That means again earning in crores just from selling tickets for the matches. Let's also talk about merchandising. Sales from the team jerseys, caps and other merchandise add the additional revenue to IPL's income. Well, you must be wondering that still how much money can IPL earn from a season? Let me give you examples. So let's talk about the financial performances over the past few years. So if we are talking about 2022, that is the post-COVID time. So in 2022, the BCCI reported a surplus of 2,367 crore of revenue generation from IPL. Well, if we talk about 2023, the revenue doubled. It became 5,120 crore rupees compared to 2022. The reason behind the growth is considered to be new media rights and sponsorship deals. Now, if we talk about the previous year, 2024, the brand value of IPL reached $12 billion. You know how much is that in rupees? That is 1,200 crore. That means 1,200 crore rupees. So this much revenue they generate every season. But how does IPL distribute its income between the players, the team owners and the BCCI? So the earning in IPL is distributed between players, franchises and BCCI. Well, the top players earns in millions for 2-month season, and the players get their salaries by being auctioned, which shows their market demand as well. Like for 2025, Virat Kohli was auctioned for rupees 21 crore to be a part of RCB. Now if we talk about the franchises, So the team earns from central revenue pools, sponsorships, ticket sales and merchandise. Like in 2023, the 10 IPL teams collectively earned 4,670 crore from the BCCI, up from 2,205 crore in 2022. Now the BCCI, the Board of Control for Cricket in India. It benefits from a share of broadcasting rights, sponsorships and franchisee fees. In 2023, BCCI surplus jumped to 5,120 crore rupees. Okay, the IPL is making so much money, but also there are so many different sorts of costs that IPL has to pay and investments that they have to put. So let's also talk about the cost, the investment and the profit. Well, the revenue is high. IPL also have significant costs to pay. Let's start with the players' salaries. A substantial portion of a franchisee budget goes to a player's salaries, with top players commanding high fees. Next is operational cost. These expenses include stadium rentals, logistics and administrative costs. And last, franchisee profits. Despite high revenues, increasing player salaries and operational costs, this can impact the profitability. However, the substantial earnings from central revenue pools and sponsorships often offset these costs. This was solely about IPL, BCCI, teams, players, everything. But how does IPL impact the Indian economy? Well, there's a significant impact on Indian economy due to IPL in forms of employment, tourism and taxes. If we talk about the employment factor, IPL generates thousands and more than that jobs for people, including event managers, coaches, players, staff and much more. Next is tourism. Like I have already said that IPL is not just a sport, it's a hype among Indians and people who live outside India. So when the IPL matches start, people across country come to India to watch IPL matches that boosts the local economies. Now, if we talk about the tax revenue, so the BCCI paid 2,038 crore rupees as GST in financial year 2023 and 24. Okay, so let's move ahead and also talk about the fan engagement in the IPL. We are talking about the fantasy leagues and fan engagement. So the rise of fantasy leagues has added a new dimension to fan engagement in IPL. So different platforms have become billion-dollar enterprises earning through user participation fees and advertisements. And that is how they're generating revenue. Also, if we talk about the fan participation, fans are actively engaging by creating virtual teams, enhancing their connection to the game. So now I think you know that IPL is not just a cricket sport, but also a business. Actually, an intertwine between a sport and a business, which gives economic growth to the country and earns in millions of dollars. Well, this was it for today. And guys, IPL is here. So support your favorite teams, watch cricket matches, have a lot of enjoyment, fun and entertainment. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.